Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error too many names 68 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error codes in your system, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is increase your port range, dynamic port range. To do so, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on screen. First execute this command to show dynamic port. This command will show you to available dynamic port TCP on your system. Simply execute the command on command prompt Windows, press enter. Now you can easily see protocol TCP dynamic port range, start port 49152 and number of ports 16384. Now we will see how to increase this dynamic port range. For this, execute another command. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Execute the command. So a start value should be 1025 and numerical value 64510. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows where cursor is blinking. This, if you want to copy and paste this command path, then go to my video's description box, simply copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows. Press enter and a small message you will receive, OK. It means your dynamic port range successfully increased. And check whether your error too many names resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your network adapter driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager, and here go to network adapter section. Expand it. Right click on your network adapter driver as per your system and simply choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Click on it. Windows will update your network adapter driver and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Reset your network. Right click on the start button, choose settings. And here from the left side, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option advanced network settings. Click on it, scroll down and you will find the option network reset. Click on it and finally click on reset now against network reset, and check whether your error too many names resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type RSTRUI to launch system restore Windows. But before launching system restore Windows, you must create a system restore point. There is a possibility to your system changed or before after Windows update. So create a restore point. Go to Windows search, type create a restore point and open create a restore point Windows. Here from the bottom of the page you will see create a restore point. Click on create and choose a Windows name. We will assign it Windows update. This is a simple restore point. It will create it, and from which after Windows update this system restore will bring you to your system before Windows update position. Right click on start box, type RSTRUI and click on OK. It will open system restore Windows in your system. Click on next and choose a system restore point you have just created. Select it. You may choose show more restore point and some other available restore point also available. So we will choose Windows update and click on next. And finally choose a confirmation point, confirm, choose finish. The system will bring back to your previous position before Windows